What's the meaning of biological diversity? Biological diversity. Biological diversity.
Biological diversity. Biological diversity. Biological diversity, also known as biodiversity, refers to the variety of different life forms found on Earth, ranging from microorganisms to plants and animals. It encompasses a range of different levels, from the genes and populations within a single species to the complex ecosystems that sustain all life on the planet. Biodiversity is important because it plays a fundamental role in maintaining the balance and resilience of the natural world, providing crucial ecosystem services such as pollination, water filtration, and carbon sequestration. In recent years, the loss of biodiversity due to human activities such as habitat destruction and climate change has become an urgent global concern.